Back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 23 of the SSIS tutorial. So in this we will going to be see like about the merge and how to create one simple package. So basically merge. Let's see the definition about the merge. Merge transformation is very similar to the union all transformation, which combine rows from different source to one output. The main difference is that union all doesn't require the like a data source are sorted, not does its output. Beside union all accept more than two input while merge transformation doesn't. So merge always required sorting data before merging the data from the source to destination. Okay, so let's start with the practice and see how we can set up the uh, to, like a package for those. Just 1 minute. See. So first create new project, integration service. Next, give the meaningful name, merge, then create it. Yep, so our project has been created. You can see the solution name merge and one package has been created. So rename it meaningful name merge. So first of all, before starting the taking the merge from the SSIS toolbox, so first we have to take for one data flow task which will in which we will going to be do the our transformation. So let's start with the data flow task first, then go double click. Yeah, we are now in a data flow task for transformation. So this is the merge. Okay, here is a merge join as well, but first we will see the merge. What is the merge? So merge combine rows from multiple sorted data flow into one sorted data flow. Unlike the merge join, all rows flow to the output. For the example, combine two sorted list of customer into a single sorted list. If sorting is not important, use the union all transformation. Okay, so before taking the merge drag and drop, first take the source, like from where we will going to fetch the data from the like it can be anything, but I will take the SQL database to fetch the data from the two tables. So here will be our server name. So my is server name is a local host. Take it. Okay, and check the connection is fine or not. It's fine. Then click OK. Yep. So we require two source. Okay. This is one about for first. So let's select the table. So this is the table test one, and yeah, column is fine. In this as well, the column, the table is test two columns. It's fine. Okay, click OK. I will rename this like OLEDB source EMP source employee source 1 and employee source 2. Okay, so now let's take the merge component. Okay, so if you directly going to connect the source to merge component, it will show some message like the source or the destination component contain multiple inputs or outputs. Select an input and output to correct components. So if you see, I have selected, but it's showing merge input 1. Okay, then this, but here you can see it's showing the still error, like a red. So it means the input merge and merge to have sort key position assigned to their column incorrectly. So basically whenever you are going to merge the data from the source from two source, then it's must be sorted. Okay, so for sorting we required like a sort uh, component which you will can find here in a down in common section. Okay, so you can drag and drop the two sort component, join this perfectly. Now let's sort the column. Which column you want, you can select from here. I will do sorting on my business entity as a ascending. You can see there's having an option as a ascending and descending, but I will select ascending. Ascending means sort order one, and it will be same. This one is will be we have to set up the same as we have set in input 1. This is the input 2 ascending order. Now let's select to the merge, then it will ask for the sort output. Let's select merge input 1, then merge 2. Okay, so now we have configured perfectly the merge transformation from to source to destination. So for destination I will take derived column. For the checking purpose you can take the destination anything like a database. Okay, so I will enable the data viewer for the checking the data is coming properly or not. Okay, so let's run this SSIS package and see how it's working. Yeah, so it's working perfectly. You can, if you see here, the 290 rows is coming from source 1 and 290 rows coming from the source 2, and it's sorted 290 rows from employee 1, and it is also sorted from here as well, and it's coming in a merge and it's merging the data, and its total is 580 rows. Okay, so 580 rows we have received in a destination. You can see the column as well. It's a same column as we saw in a database, like you can see the columns. Okay, and we are getting the both the data in a destination by doing the merge. Perfect. Yep, so if you see here by clicking on merge, then you can see the configure the property used to merge two sorted input into one output by creating mapping between columns. You can see the output column is this business entity sorted key, and in merge input that is the first one, employee 1 and employee 2, and it was sorted by the key in business entity ID column. Okay, so that's it about the merge component in a SSIS package. So please let me know if you have any feedback or anything, and please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.